Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw or insert a rectangle in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select Tools option and scroll down or up. Here you will find this comment option. Select. Now click on this drawing tools and here you will find this rectangle. Now draw a rectangle. See this. And here you will find the rectangle fills color. Let this fill color and this one border color, also red color and border thickness, and see this. Now click the gear option. This rectangle dialog box open and select appearance option. You can change your border style. You can change opacity rectangle. See this, and this is border thickness, and this fill color you can change here, and finally select OK and see this. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.